students, welcome to Drona Edu. My name is Madhushri and I'm going to take for mathematics. Okay, so today I'm going to take for class 6 the chapter 13 called Symmetry. Okay, so students, the symmetry word we usually use in our day-to-day life, right? See, if you see the monuments such as Taj Mahal or any temples, okay, the famous temple in Tamil Nadu which is Tirunamalai, okay, so if you see, those are the best example for the symmetry. So when we say symmetry, what is this? What is this symmetry? See, if you see this picture, a picture of Taj Mahal and that temple, no, you can see there is a beautiful monument. That's symmetry, okay, and their uniqueness then compared to other architecture is because of the symmetry. Okay, so let's see what is the symmetries. For that, let me consider few diagrams. Okay, so here you can see, right? We can see there are about two halves. Okay, there is a smiley and there is a bird and there is a butterfly. So both are cutted with certain line, a middle line, right? So there is a two half now. Now these two halves are a mirror image, okay, to each other, and they are separated by that line, no, that is called as line symmetry. Okay, which means when I fold these two halves and if I place a mirror between them, okay, now I can see other half in the mirror, the exact half, the same figure I can see in the mirror as well when it is folded. Okay, so that is nothing but a mirror image. Okay, yeah. Now this image which is on the one side of a picture will fall exactly on the other side of a mirror, right, when they are folded, right, which is a mirror line. So this is called as a line of symmetry. Okay, a line of symmetry. Yeah, see, let me consider another picture. Okay, if you see in this diagram, if I fold this, okay, if I show it in the mirror, can I get the same picture, another half in the mirror? No, right, it would be different. So this example or this diagram is not symmetry. So let's see how to make a symmetry figure or symmetric figure using a ink ball device. Okay, what I'll do, first I'll take a paper, okay, piece of paper. Now I'll take this piece of paper and exactly fold it into half, correct half. Now what I'll do, I'll spill the few drops of ink on one half. Another half I'll keep as this, another half I'll spill some ink. Now what I'll do, I'll fold this, I'll press it. Okay, when I press it together and if I open, you can see, right, so that image you can find. The same figure would be in the another side as well. The same figure, okay, both the half will be same and together they'll form a symmetry. Okay, they form a together one picture. Okay, not only here, using a ink stick pattern also you can see. What is that? Again you should take a paper, okay, again you should fold the paper, okay, correct half. On one half of portion, what I'll do, I'll raise a short length of strings, okay, length of string, okay, which is dipped into the ink. Okay, I'll dip into variety of ink, like there will be like blue, red, green, right? So I'll dip it and I'll paste it on the one half. Now what I'll do, again I'll fold, I'll press this, okay, I'll press this two halves. After opening, you can see the pattern, that the same, okay, you can see the symmetric pattern in this picture, right? So one half and another half would be same and they are divided by the line segment which is a half. See, these are the few patterns which we can obtain. Okay, now let's solve some problems on this. Yeah, so here the first question is, list any 4 symmetric objects from your home or school. Okay, so see, if I take a blackboard, the blackboard can be divided into correct half. So one half would be symmetric to the another, right, students? So if I fold that, if I can't fold, but if I place a mirror between that line of symmetry, I can see the another half in the mirror. So that is the best example, a blackboard in your school. Not only that, even tabletop as well. Okay, in the tabletop, if I draw the line of symmetry, if I place a mirror, so another half can be displayed in the mirror. So it will complete a full table, right? Yeah. Now, even the pair of scissors as well. Okay, so scissors will be like 2, right? So if I divide the half, again, it is a example for, best example for symmetric object. Even the computer disk as well, a disk. Okay, you can draw the line of symmetry. You can see that is a best example for a symmetrical object. Okay, so let's see the next question, which is For the given figure, which one is a mirror line? See, in this figure, there is a form of a house, right? So there is a triangle and a square down. So there is a two lines, L1 and L2. See, if I see the L1, it is not a mirror image, or it does not form a symmetric. Why? If I fold, the other half would be not the same. But if I consider the L2 line, it is a line of symmetry. So again, a line of symmetry. If I fold now this sheet or this diagram, so I can say both the half will be same. It will be equal. It will be mirror image to each other. So L2 is the answer here. Okay. So let's see the next question, which is, now in this figure, totally there is a totally 6 figures, right? So first one is log. Now, if I exactly divide the half for this log, and if I write a line of symmetry, see, the one half would be symmetric to the other half. So, of course, the first, which is a figure, a log, is symmetry. Okay, the next one is like a bucket, right? So here also, if I draw the line of symmetry, the one half would be symmetric to the another. So yes. Whereas if I see for the C, okay, if I draw the line of symmetry, if I fold it, it would be not same. The one half would be not symmetric for the another half, right? So the C is not symmetry here. Okay, now let's see the next diagram, which is a telephone. Here also, if I draw the line of symmetry, the one half would be symmetric to the another. Okay, now let's see the next diagram. Here if you see, you can write the line of symmetry horizontal, okay, instead of vertical. Then of course it is a symmetry now. Okay, if I write the line of symmetry horizontally, the one half would be symmetric to the another one. Okay, now the next diagram is the hexagon. Again, that also divide. Okay, the one half would be symmetric to the another half. Okay, from this I can say the figure C is not symmetry, whereas all the other figures are symmetry. Okay, except 3, all the others are symmetry. Okay, now in this figure you can see there is a form of a right angle triangle. Right, now to find the, or to draw the symmetry from this line segment, from this line of symmetry, I can just draw the another half. You can see, right? So that is how the figure would look when I draw the another half using this line of symmetry. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding these topics, please do comment down. I'm going to give you a review, so let's discuss. Okay, until then, let's meet in next class. Bye bye.